Well, on behalf of Lambda Legal, thank you so much to HRC for this incredible honor. And we have so many people to thank. I'm not going to list them all. We did a lengthy thank you of people on the HRC website for this event. I hope you'll go to look because this has been a labor of an awful lot of people. But I do want to especially thank the amazing event co-chairs, and the whole committee, and all the volunteers that have made this a beautiful, amazing evening. And to the totally extraordinary Sheila Clefthorne, with whom I have the great pleasure to work. I want to give a special thank you to our amazing co-counsel at the Perkins Coie Law Firm, who have worked with us on numerous cases, including this marriage equality case, and to our truly beautiful and extraordinary clients in this case. You heard a couple of them, but it was really an amazing group. And I also need to thank, and want to thank our amazing Lambda Legal leadership team here in Phoenix, and especially to our national board member, who's totally amazing, Larry Trachtenberg. Their work makes possible everything that we do, and we're really grateful. As you all know, amazing things are happening here in Arizona. Our collective message is finally getting through. Diversity and inclusion means success, and that means ending discrimination. Ending marriage discrimination is a huge victory. It's been an essential goal for so long because that discrimination was an official state message that our love, our commitment, our families are inferior and not worthy of celebration. Well, that's wrong. And now it's fixed, and that is indeed worthy of celebration. But of course, marriage has never been the only issue, and our Lambda Legal Help Desk receives constant calls from Arizonans all over the state. Students, workers, parents. Some need help enforcing existing laws, and some need the laws changed. And all need our entire society to understand that freedom of religion is not freedom to discriminate. That selling arts and crafts supplies is not protected exercise of religion. You hearing me, Hobby Lobby? That making and selling wedding cakes is not speech, it's baking, and it's business. So the pushback to our marriage victories, and especially these attempts to misuse religion for discrimination, call on all of us to maintain and to accelerate the momentum for change. We can end discrimination against LGBT people. History shows this. Students no longer are punished for writing left-handed, right? My immigrant grandmother's family was greeted in Boston with signs that said, "No Irish need apply." No more, at least for Irish immigrants. True, we don't yet have wage equality for women, but help wanted ads are no longer segregated by sex. A lot of people here don't remember that, but some of us do. And while racial and ethnic justice remain elusive in fact, at least we've achieved broad consensus that discrimination on those grounds is wrong, it's destructive, it's ugly, it's immoral. And even religions that long held doctrine embracing racial segregation disclaim it now, vigorously. So if we work together, if we insist, we can end discrimination against LGBT people, against immigrants, against everyone who's been despised and excluded for being different. So tonight, let's celebrate our marriage victories here in Arizona, and soon, we hope, in the U.S. Supreme Court. I will tell you, my colleagues have been working overtime. The briefs were just filed on Friday. It's a really exciting time. And the incredible victories in Tempe, and in Bisbee, and in Tucson, and in an ever-lengthening list of cities here in Arizona. And then, let's redouble our efforts so the beautiful children of our extraordinary plaintiffs in these marriage cases can live in a world where homophobia and transphobia are explained not as urgent policy problems to be solved, but as historical curiosities. We can do that. So on behalf of Lambda Legal and our litigation team that was so honored to do this work and to be part of this extraordinary movement here in Arizona, thanks to all of you, and especially thanks to HRC for all you're doing to make it so. Thank you.